At WP Rocket, we know how addressing some performance issues can be challenging. And with every release, we do everything possible to try and make it easier for everyone. Take optimizing JavaScript, for example. It's such a key optimization task, but may be complicated to manage and avoid any issues while doing so. For instance, delaying JS scripts is an effective way to make your website faster. But there's something to keep in mind. Some JS should be loaded immediately to ensure the page works properly and users can interact. And knowing which JS to load first is not always straightforward, even with an easy feature like delayed JavaScript. So with many of our users asking to make this option simpler, we have something brand new in 3.13 that you will love. You see, all websites contain many JS scripts, which are essential to making you interact with any content on the page you're browsing. At the same time though, JS scripts can slow down the page's loading time, which can cause a bad user experience and frustrating your users. Therefore, you must ensure JS scripts are only loaded when needed. And that's what the delayed JavaScript feature does. It delays the JS files loading until a user interaction, such as scrolling or clicking a button. But with delayed JavaScript, not all files should be delayed. Some JavaScript may be in the viewport, the visible area on a user's screen, and should be executed as soon as possible. For this reason, excluding some JS scripts from being delayed is important, and it's not always easy. With our brand new release of 3.13, we aim to help users easily exclude scripts that should not be delayed. Let's say you enable the delayed JavaScript option. As a result, your slider can't be loaded until a user interaction, but you need it to work right away. In the past, to solve such issues, you needed to go into our documentation page, identify the JavaScript to exclude, and paste it in the text area under the delayed JavaScript execution feature of WP Rocket. But thanks to the new 3.13 enhancement, such exclusions are now included in the UI. You only need to check the checkbox according to what you must exclude. Like I've mentioned earlier, 3.13 has a simpler UI that makes it intuitive to exclude the JS scripts. Thanks to a more readable and easier solution, it's now straightforward to improve a website's performance and to not create any issues from a user experience standpoint. The new UI contains an option to flag 3 types of JS scripts: analytics and ads, plugins, and themes. The plugin and themes accordion will automatically retrieve the active plugins and themes installed on your website. In addition, the analytics accordion will list the most popular tools you may be using. Let's say your website uses Google Analytics and Stripe and it's built with Astra. You will see these options listed in the checklist. Flagging them will simply be enough to exclude such scripts from being delayed. As simple as that. And you'll always still find the script option, allowing you to specify additional JavaScript files and exclude them from being delayed as well. So it's no doubt to say that WP Rocket 3.13 makes crucial JS optimization easier, allowing you to take care of your website performance in just a few clicks and save a bunch of time and effort. So go ahead and update WP Rocket to the new 3.13 version and let us know what you think. Goodbye and have a good day.